Good morning, class. Our today's next subtopic is a hydrocarbon. First, you all have to understand what is a hydrocarbon. See, hydrocarbon is the compound which contain only hydrogen and a carbon atoms. Let me write the definition. Right, the compound which contain only hydrogen and a carbon atoms is called hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons are classified in two groups. One is a saturated hydrocarbon, second one is unsaturated hydrocarbon, HC for hydrocarbon. Saturated is what? In this, carbon-carbon contain a single bond, and unsaturated carbon-carbon contain double or triple bond. Let me write the definition of both saturated and unsaturated दोनों का. See, the hydrocarbons which contain carbon and carbon single bond are called saturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated, the hydrocarbon which contain carbon and carbon double or triple bond are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. See, these unsaturated hydrocarbons are further classified in another two groups. Let me write the name of that. See, first one is alkene and then another one is alkyne. Alkene and alkyne. Here saturated hydrocarbons are the alkanes. Now I am going to explain the what is alkane, alkene and alkyne with the general formula and example. See, the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Alkene CnH2n. Alkyne HCnH2n minus 2. This means if carbon is 1, so hydrogen double plus 2 means 4. If carbon is 2, so 2 double, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6. So let me explain you. See, if n equals to 1, C1H2 into 1, 2n, n is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 2, so it will become CH4. And this CH4 is known as a methane. Now if n equals to 2, CnH2 into 2 plus 2, C2H6, this is known as a ethane. Now see the alkene. Now come to alkene. Alkene is general formula is CnH2n. If n equals to 2, see here I am not taking n equals to 1. Why? Because double और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड इज देयर, एंड डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड कब होगा? जब दो कार्बन होंगे, सिंगल कार्बन में नहीं होगा. सो इट्स वाई दैट्स वाई आई एम टेकिंग n इक्वल्स टू 2, C2H2 into 2, C2H4. दिस इज नोन एज अ ethene. Ethene, see here, ethane, ANE is converted into ENE, ethene. Now come to the alkyne. Okay, now come to the alkyne. CnH2n minus 2 is the general formula. N equals to 2, C2H2 into 2 minus 2, 2 2s are 4 minus 2, C2H2. This is known as a ethyne. See, first one is ethane, then ethene, now ethyne. Now I am drawing the structural formula of all these three, ethane, ethene and ethyne. See the structure formula. See the structure formula of ethane. C single bond C. This is the saturated. You know, carbon-carbon single bond is the saturated hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon, hydrogen and carbon. Only two atoms are there. And 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the ethane. Structural formula of ethane. Now come to ethene. C2H4. Carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond is a ethene, alkene family. H4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now ethyne, carbon-carbon triple bond and 2 hydrogen, 1 and 2, C2H2. This is the structure formula of ethyne. Understood? So I repeat that our today's topic is a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is the compound which contain only hydrogen and atoms as the main element, is called as a hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons are classified in two groups, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Then saturated is a alkane, unsaturated is further classified as alkene and alkyne. Alkene and alkyne. General formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2, alkene SCnH2n, alkyne CnH2n minus 2. So this is one examples of this. So we have to more focus on alkane family. In the alkane family, first one is a methane, ethane. If number of carbon atom is 3, so it is known as a propane. 4 butane, 5 pentane, 6 hexane, like that. For more name, more members, you have to refer the textbook, lesson number 9. Now I am going to explain you the straight chain structure, straight chain, closed chain and ring chain. This closed and rings are same. First one is a straight chain, then close or ring, and one more is there, that is a branch chain structure of alkane groups. So first I am going to draw the straight chain. See, in the straight chain structure I am taking the example of C4H10. This is known as a butane. Simple 4 carbons draw करो. 1 2 3 4. Butane means alkane group, तो single bond 1 2 3. 10 hydrogen. Fill this with the hydrogen. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Understood? So this is the straight chain structure of alkane groups. Now I am going to draw the branch chain of the same element, same compound. Butane का ही branch वाला structure. Branch chain, same example, C4H10 butane. Now branch chain, I am drawing like 1 2 3 carbon like that. 1 carbon I am taking here. So now fill with the hydrogen. Count the number of hydrogen. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is the branch. ये जो ब्रांच है, सी कार्बन कार्बन स्ट्रेट वाले में सामने था, यहाँ पे मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है. यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक हियर. लेट मी ड्रॉ दैट ऑल्सो. सी कार्बन कार्बन एंड कार्बन, 4 कार्बन. द ग्रीन वन इज shows the saturated hydrocarbon, carbon carbon single bond, and red color shows the carbon bond with the hydrogen. Fill with hydrogen. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Understood? Branch chain structure. Now closed वाला देखो. Enclosed. See, closed or ring chain structure. Example C6H14. 6 number of carbon and 14 number of hydrogen is known as the hexane. तो हमको closed में बनाना है, तो this closed we like its name became a cyclohexane बन जाएगा. Let me draw this. See, carbon, like that. Now draw the bond of carbon. See, green color shows the carbon carbon single bond, that means they are belongs to the alkane family. Now carbon and hydrogen bonds. See, when we draw the cyclohexane in a circle, so this will becomes like a C2H12. So this is the structure of a cyclohexane. First one straight branch and closed structure of a carbon hydrocarbons. Understood? Now next topic we will start the functional group and homologous series, then the nomenclature of hydrocarbons.